The data set I'm showing you here is the same data that's presented in table 8.10 of the textbook. However, I did not show the data as is tabulated by two variables. Rather, this is how the data should have been entered into SPSS. So you remember we have 100 observations, and for each kid, there's two measures. The one measure is the preschool background, the other one is the behavior ratings. So for the preschool background, it's either public, private preschool, or no preschool. And for the behavioral ratings in kindergarten is poor, average, or good. Okay, so that's how I enter my data into SPSS. I want to show you here that rather than doing the chi-square test for independence using the tabulated data as shown in the frequency table, it's actually much easier and straightforward to do it using the original data format as you see here in my SPS data file. You just simply go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, find the place called Cross tab, and click. Once you're here, you can put the preschool type to define the rows and use behavior in kindergarten to define the columns. And remember, go to the place called Statistics, ask for the chi-square statistic, and also we want to have either 5 or Kramers, depends on how many row or columns you have, to measure the effect size. Just continue and click on OK. You will have the output. You can see here the total sample size 100. And here is the table, is the information or the summarized frequency table you see in table 810 of the textbook. Exactly the same information. Okay. Then the next table here, we have the chi-square test. The Pearson chi-square has a observed value of 11.50, degree freedom 4, and the p-value is 0.02, which is lower than alpha equals 0.05, so we're going to reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is a significant association between the children's preschool experience and their behaviors in kindergarten. And the last table is given you for the measure of effect size. Since we have a 3 by 3 contingency table, we're going to look at the Kramers V, which has a value 0.240, and it's indicate somewhere from weak to medium effect size. So that's it.